Hello people, and today we are starting, well, we have another the Minecraft video. Why is that there? Well, anyways, yes, I found my house, I fixed it. See, I put some flooring, yeah, made a bed, and went and got some stuff. See, I have cocoa beans from last time, bread, I got pumpkins, found some butter, got some, what over here? Went mining, found 4 iron, a lot of coal. So yeah, that's pretty much where I'm at. I have to go get some jungle wood for the roof. So yeah, I'm gonna make a... Wait, birchwood. Get some stone, like a stone axe. Okay, there's that. Put all this stuff back. Put it there. Just in case I get hungry. Back. Have some apples. Okay, so yeah, I see I fixed my home. Planted some trees, that kind of stuff, boring stuff. But yeah, I swear that creeper blew up, like right as I was making my bed. So if I did get blown up, I'd spawn back in my house. But I didn't get it done fast enough. I should have done it sooner. Okay, so let's get some jungle wood. Alright, I'm not going to take this whole tree just as much as I can reach, so... Yeah, I got that wood. Jump! Can't remember. My house is up this way. This is better. Oh, there it is. Okay, I was right. Torches. Boom, 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 boom. Yay, home sweet home. See my house. My trees are grown up. Grow. I'm gonna go get some more food because I'm kind of low on food. Maybe make some leather armor. I got my pumpkins right over there. Yeah! Yeah! I need these for... getting dark. Bread. I get bread. Bread. No. Get him. Oh. Iron. I'm gonna start making my second floor. What should I do? What do you need to bake cookies? Oh my god, I can make cookies. Give me that. Give me that. Oh yeah. I made lots of cookies. Oh, cookies, I love you. What minute was that? Thank you for this one. Because of that achievement. Yeah, these are my achievements. So, yeah, I want you to know. Yeah, cookies. Bake a cake. Okay, we'll wear that. Alright, what was I gonna do? First of all, I need ideas. I was looking to see if my things were drawn yet. Let's start making my barn. Alright, I'm gonna make it over here. Up over here. Nice flat land. Oh, here we go. Alright, this isn't gonna be the best barn. Ah, god dang it, I didn't want to do that. I need more screws. I think it is. I have to record more tomorrow. Tomorrow, I think Brody will be with me, so we'll get a lot more done. if I'm being quiet, I just don't have anything to say, so yeah. I need a lot of this wood. More cocoa beans. I can make more cookies. More cookies! Man, the cookie thing went fast. It won't take me long to make those. Maybe because I live right by a jungle. Oh god! Awesome. Hello. Dang it, wrong tree. Oh, I can use some wood anyway. Let's go back. God damn it. Let's go back and run that barn for a while. Where's my phone? Phone, where are you? God dang it. Oh, there it is. Still in. Oh, god dang. Hold on, text message. Hold on. Okay. He like just texts me randomly a lot. I thought you need sugar to bake the cookies. Guess not. Because I just baked like 20 of them. Or a lot of. I made a lot of cookies and I didn't need one bit of sugar. I love cookies, they're my favorite. Oh, what do you want done? Yeah, funny. Alright, shut up. Jump! I jumped. No, I don't want speakerphone on. I tried to hit a bug. I missed. It's a flying bug. Get out of here, get out of here, get out of here. Got it. Yeah, so I'm trying to get a really nice camera. It's like an eagle eye camera, I think. And it's 2,000 bucks. So yeah, and I had to spend my money on the new Xbox in order to actually record. So yeah, I had 200, but then my Xbox blew out, so then I had to go buy a new Xbox. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now. Oh, God, touring. So now I'm down to nothing again. No, don't do that. God dang it. I hate it when I misplace block. God dang it! Why do I do that so much? Jump! You'll see what I'm doing in a little bit. And I only have like a minute left to record, so since this is a barn, I really don't care if the wood's different, so yeah. Okay. Okay. Well, I gotta go now. Bye!